Today I'm making an horchata-style pink drink known as La Pantera Rosa, which translates to the Pink Panther. It's gonna be good. Recently, I decided to check out this new taco stand for quesabirria. By the way, it was really good, and I will link them below if you're in the local Houston area. But on their menu, they had a drink called Pantera Rosa, which translates to the Pink Panther, and it's just another version of a pink drink, and it's so cute. It's essentially horchata with strawberry puree. Very delicious, and I'm going to show you how to make it at home. Okay, so to start the horchata, I'm going to let my long grain rice soak. Here I have 1 cup of pre-rinsed long grain rice. I'm going to add 1 cinnamon stick. This is just maybe a 2 to 3 inch piece. I'm going to sort of break it apart here. Now I'm going to add water. This is around 3 cups of water for it to soak in. Now I'm going to let this soak. You can do this for overnight. I'm going to do this for around 6 hours. And you can soak it while it's in the refrigerator. I leave it on the countertop. It's fine, but if you're going to do this for longer, then yeah, maybe put it in the fridge. Yeah. Okay, so this has been soaking. So it may take less than 6 to 8 hours or overnight, but I want to show you. You're soaking it so that the rice, you can press it and it breaks. If it breaks easily, just like that, then it's ready to be blended. Okay, so now I'm going to blend this well. So this has blended well. Now I'm going to pour it through my fine wire mesh strainer. Here's my horchata rice blended liquid there. So I'm going to put this all into glass pitcher. Now I'm going to add 1 12-ounce can, that's 354 milliliters of evaporated milk, some sweetened condensed milk for sweetness, and the sweetness is up to you. You could also add sugar, it'll be less creamy. And I'm going for the whole can. I know, super sweet, right? But it's gonna have other stuff in it and extra ice. But the sweetness is to your taste and preference. Now just give that a mix. Now I'm going to add lots of ice. And before I forget, I'm gonna add some Mexican vanilla extract. I'm gonna add like 1 or 2 teaspoons. Now I have delicious creamy horchata. Now, if I was just serving this as just plain horchata, I would probably add an extra cup of ice cold water in the mix, just to sort of make it more, but I'm gonna be adding strawberry puree and extra ice. My cat. So it'll sort of dilute it anyways, but if I were just to serve the horchata like this, I would add an extra cup of water, a little more ice, and you're good to go. Really good. Okay, so now it's time to make the strawberry puree. This is what's going to make Pantera Rosa, or this Pink Panther horchata drink. So here I have 2 pounds of strawberries, but I'm only probably going to use a pound or so. But anyways, I'm going to clean these up, give them a rough chop, and I'm going to puree them. Okay, so they're all chopped. I have this about a pound of strawberries. The other ones I just sort of left. I might eat those later. Now these strawberries are not super sweet, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sugar. And if they are sweet enough, you know, you can skip that part, but these kind of taste sort of tangy. Some of them are sweet, some of them are tangy, so hopefully the sugar helps. And now I'm going to add maybe just a little bit of water, 1/3 cup to a 1/2 cup, just to see if I can get things to blend and puree, because I do want this kind of thick, because I want it to sit on top of the drink and not kind of just fall to the bottom and mix. So here we go. Okay, so here I have my cute little glass jar with some fresh strawberries, extra ice. Now it's time to make this cute Pink Panther horchata drink known as La Pantera Rosa. So fun. Okay, now for the fun part. I'll start easy right on top. Oh my gosh, this looks so cute. Okay, so essentially what you're making is a strawberry horchata. You could puree the strawberries, add it to the horchata, it's great. But it's the look of the strawberry puree on top, the horchata, and the strawberries. So cute. The strawberry puree is so fresh. You mix it a little bit and it's so adorable. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.